what is amazing about the HTTP2? Let's try to understand. So in HTTP2, this is your client, right, and this is your server. And again, assume your client is your order service, and then this guy is your invoice service, okay, and this is your order service. Now you want to send multiple HTTP calls to your invoice service. Order service wants to send multiple HTTP calls to invoice service. So here in this case, it will not create multiple TCP connections. Rather, it will use concept of multiplexing. So what is the meaning of multiplexing in telecommunication? The meaning of multiplexing is consolidating multiple outgoing calls into one single call, right? So if you have your multiple HTTP calls here, so all these calls will be going under one TCP connection. So you see, in HTTP, if you go to the other slides, right? If you go to the other slide and if you look at here, you are making multiple connections here, right? And then here, if you see, HTTP only is using your single TCP connection. So that's the beauty of HTTP2, and that is why your gRPC is faster, because it doesn't uses the HTTP1, it uses HTTP2, right? So it uses the concept of uses the concept of multiplexing. So you are basically consolidating all calls into one single TCP connection, and that's how your whole communication, inter-service communication. You see, this is service 1, this is service 2. Your inter-service communication becomes faster.